Hi, it's Joe from FLIR, and I'm here with the E5 thermal imaging camera, one of 4 in our new EX series. With 120 by 90 pixel thermal resolution, the E5 gives you more than twice the image clarity in pixels on target as the E4. It also has a more sensitive detector to help show you more detailed thermal patterns. Along with a center spot meter you can hover over your target to measure temperature, E5 also features an area box choice that has an auto hot or cold spot to lock on to the maximum or minimum reading within the box. Or you can turn off the tool altogether. Like all EX series cameras, the E5 has a bright 3-inch LCD and quick access to the easy on-screen interface. A simple press of a couple of buttons and your setting parameters, choosing color palettes, thumbing through your stored images, and more. Choose thermal only mode, the visible camera if you want, or MSX to enhance the thermal image with recognizable details captured with the built-in visible camera. You can select your visible camera, your thermal camera, or MSX, which actually etches in visible details from the built-in visual camera on the thermal image. More vivid image clarity and still extremely affordable. But if you want almost double the resolution of the E5 and a camera that meets ResNet thermal imaging standards, plus some very useful additional features, be sure to look at the E6. The E5 from FLIR is available now.